Patients often come in with a diagnosis that they've come up with themselves or one of the earlier physicians has given them, and we need to immunize ourselves against that problem and try and think things through on our own, get our own history, do our own physical exam, do the clinical reasoning on our own.
You've got to be careful about what you're representing, and we see a lot of this audit activity that's generated because when you put in that claim on the next day or you put it in sort of 2 weeks later, what happens is that it's representing that you did the treatment the next day, which is not actually right. You did the treatment the day before. So for the convenience of the patient, you're actually exposing yourself.
And it's unlikely you'll end up in front of a judge, but just even the thought that, how could this patient have done this to me? I think most of us go to work every day trying to do the best thing for our patients. And if things go wrong, obviously it's very upsetting for us, upsetting for the patient.